A map shows you the distance between A and B, and there are several routes going from A to B. There is a company that focuses particularly on the connection. That is QNAP Systems Incorporated. QNAP believes to make a thing more valuable is to connect it with others. Connectivity, the finishing touch of the internet ecosystem. We concentrate on network and data. Create a connected world with our own operating systems. With network security and multiple backups, data is more secure. With AI computing and data analysis, information becomes insight. With virtualization and cloud integration, systems are interconnected. Your favorite movie studios, content creators you subscribe to, sophisticated medical consulting rooms, space stations in the heavens above, all connected smoothly by QNAP. We believe that the value of things relies on how they are connected and used. Concentrate on network and data. We see the immense possibilities between A and B. Connectivity leads to success. QNAP. Connect things together.